Lajkonik's history dates right back to 1910, but it wasn't until the 1970s that the company developed what it was to become known for. Lajkonik continues to produce traditional salty snacks such as pretzels, salted sticks, crackers, and Polish talaki. We are continuously expanding our range, and since 1993 with our baked goods, mainly bagels and sourdough pastries, we've been part of the company Lorenz. We're the market leader in Poland for salty snacks, and our products are sold in almost 80 countries worldwide. In 2018, we started expanding our production in Skawina by adding an efficient, safe, and automated high-rack warehouse. It was important for us to keep the TCO as low as possible and the amortization period short. The most attractive solution was presented to us by Still Poland: automated transportation and storage of our products, from the start of production right through to their preparation for dispatch. Firstly, the finished goods are taken to the materials handling system. From here, the pallets are transported to the warehouse and screened via automated contour control. This means that only error-free pallets enter the warehouse. There, they're then picked up by the automated FMX iGo reach trucks and stored in a shelving system with a total capacity of 7,145 bays and a height of over 8 meters. The correct bay is assigned via our warehouse management system featuring a WMS module. When the scheduling list is received from the SAP system, the forklifts pick up the pallets and take them to the corresponding ramp. At that point, they're loaded manually onto the HGV. The automated trucks are equipped with a safety system and laser scanners to ensure the utmost safety. There was also no need to cordon off the work area. The hybrid battery charging system consists of 4 charging stations where the trucks can be automatically charged, but the battery can also be replaced manually. Overall, the solution strikes the perfect balance between automation and manual transport. We can always adapt the process to the situation at hand. Automated and manual trucks also work together in the outgoing goods area. When an order is triggered, the goods are automatically retrieved from the shelf and taken to the assigned loading ramp. At this point, the drivers collect the goods and load the HGV. As we develop our automation concepts, we focus on flexibility, scalability, efficiency, and safety. We rely on proven solutions and achieve a good TCO and good amortization periods. We're very satisfied with the implementation at Lajkonik and see the project as proof of the huge potential of intelligent automation solutions. The solution has fully met our expectations. We use our existing storage space efficiently, and the automated processes run reliably. The trucks are also ideally suited for continuous operation. We were able to increase warehouse capacity without additional staff. For the future, we're already planning another project with Still, further process automation in our company.